Díoghuit agus fáilte arás. Tá sé jazz tú a eáil arís. Hello and welcome back. It's nice to see you again. In this Irish language video, we're going to look at 5 random words beginning with the letter D, and I'm going to give you some sample sentences as well to go along with it. So let's start with this word here, which is dinna. Dinna means person. So dinna óg would be a young person, and dinna fásta would be an adult. Dinna éigean would be somebody. Mar hampla, tá dinna éigean ag bualadh ar an doras. Somebody is knocking at the door. Tá dinna éigean ag bualadh ar an doras. Our next word here is druch. Druch means bad, and it's used as a prefix, so it's a word that goes before another word to give it more emphasis. For example, druch chaint would be bad language. Druch chaint, bad language. And if I was to say tá druch scéile agam, that would mean I have bad news. Tá druch scéile agam. Tá druch rairc aige, he has bad sight. Tá druch rairc aige. Tá druch I'm sure gialta, bad weather is expected. Tá druch I'm sure gialta. Our next word is dénach. This means late. So for example, Gama leiscéal as bheith dénach. I'm sorry I'm late. Gama leiscéal as bheith dénach. Bhí an bus dénach. The bus was late. Bhí an bus dénach. Brostigart sulla meg sé ro dhéanach. Hurry up before it will be too late. Brostigart sulla meg sé ro dhéanach. And next we have this word, which is doubt. This means doubt in English. So they sound very similar in both Irish and English. Doubt. Gone doubt would be without doubt. And gone doubt are down, without any doubt in the world. Gone doubt are down. Níl doubt ar bith faoi. There's no doubt about it. Níl doubt ar bith faoi. And next we have diarmid, which means mistake. Diarmid. And trí diarmid means by mistake. So, for example, cá sí amach é de diarmid. She threw it out by mistake. Cá sí amach é de diarmid. Thóg mé do leabhar trí diarmid. I took your book by mistake. Thóg mé do leabhar trí diarmid. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to let me know in the comment section any other words beginning with the letter D that you find useful, or even any conversational phrases you might use day to day. Thanks for watching. Gurb magat, agus feiceadh mé go luathú mar sin, and I will see you soon then.